See you up in person, got a little nervous, got a little nauseous, yeah. Took her to the top of my penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton. Pulled up in a double R, all my haters had to walk in. Speaking of a double R, I can break your brass, bitch, I'm tossing. Yeah, and I do it often. Beat his way to the coffin. Make a bitch wanna cry. I just got it, I'm still ballin'. Acting like I'm a star. Now they all wanna notice me at the nighttime and I'm dark skinned. I swear the money keep on calling. She only with me if we all in, yeah. She only with me if we all in.
HRN.
Okay, so I know I haven't really taught this video, but I gotta change batteries. I'll catch you guys for 1 second. We'll continue what I was saying. If you want spray paint to last, you can make it last if you do it the right way and you put your time in it. But right now we're in this area wet sanding it. But before I do, please guys, share this video up, Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Run this channel up, man. I'm trying to get more subscribers, man. I need me some sponsors, you know what I mean? I'm putting in work. I got videos after videos now. I'm doing everything for videos. I got a GoPro, I got an iMac or a MacBook or whatever that thing is called. Man, I'm on my grind. So come on, guys, run this up. I know you can run it up. Share it with your friends. Please show me the love and support. Please. That's it. But yeah, so what we are gonna do is we're gonna wet sand it. And if you guys don't know what wet sanding is, it's literally like sandpaper. You get like a wet sandpaper that you can wet. You go with see, what did I go with? I haven't did this in a while. I went with 800. That's pretty good. It's not rough at all. You just grab yourself a bucket, you dip it in water, and you just start, and make sure you get everywhere. That is important, that you get everywhere. Hopefully I got I only got 2 pieces or 3. Hopefully this will last me. But 800 wet sandpaper, they're not like, and look, it's like a smooth finisher, so you don't want to go with anything too rough like this. Make the paint grab onto something, make it stick. So I'm gonna go grab the bucket, I'm gonna set up the camera, and yeah, now let's get into it.
sleeping, do something quiet like reading or listening to music.
He called you a cowboy. 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 What did he mean? What are you?
Just a humble bounty hunter, man.
Yo.
this is what the bike finally looks like after 3 days, 3 long days. Dude, I am so psyched. This thing looks so dope. Dude, just, oh my god. I love the whole thing in general. Like, this thing just looks so nice. It came out so well. I couldn't be happier, really. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That's probably gonna be it. I'm not gonna do anything else more to it because I don't, there's still some more stuff that I need to do to this thing actually. Damn, bro, look how nice that looks. Oh my god. Yeah, there's still a couple more things that I need to do, so I'm not gonna tighten everything back down. I'm just gonna leave it like this, how it was. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned from it. I learned a lot from it. I learned on what I need to work on and what I need to do to become better. But I hope you guys also learned something and saw the good and the bad and the mistakes that I made along this way. So please, if you guys enjoyed this, if you guys want to see more content like this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.